Hey guys, it's Miss Gala. I hope everyone's well. I'm going to do a little video with you guys how to test heart rate, because one of the questions on the fitness log is exercise heart rate. So what I need you to do is get a pencil and paper just to write some notes down. Make sure that you have a clock that has the seconds on it, because we need something to time 15 seconds. You can even get a tablet or use your phone because you need to time 15 seconds. So go do that first, then come sit down, and then I'll tell you the rest of the video of how we're going to test for heart rate. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to do it. Like I said, you can use a watch. I have the tablet. The numbers are very big here. All I have to do, I'm going to put it down. It's going to face me, and I just hit start. And I'm going to put the tablet down, and I'm going to time 15 seconds. Well, the 15 seconds are happening. The second you hit start, you're going to have to find a pulse. And I'll show you how to find pulse and what location to do that so you can check your heart rate. Okay, so there's two places that's the easiest to check for heart rate. You have your carotid artery, which is right here on the side of your neck. You always want to take 2 fingers, just like this, 2 fingers for your pulse. You place them there until you find that beat. It's a thud, 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 thud. So that's my carotid heart rate. Okay, that's how to test for that. That's one site that you can test. The other site is your radial pulse. It's right here. As you can see, this part right here. I also am taking my 2 fingers, and I'm going to place them right here, and I'm just going to move them around until I feel the heart rate, and that same thud, 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 thud. So those are 2 ways to grab into your heart rate, so you know when it's beating and how fast it's beating. And then I'll show you the second step to putting it all together for counting your heart rate. Okay, so I'm going to find my heart rate here using my carotid artery. And the second I get my heart rate and I feel it, I'm going to reset my timer to 15 seconds. And I'm going to start the timer on 15 seconds. As soon as I hit start, I'm going to count. So I'm going to, and how many beats my heart is beating at. Okay? When it's 15 seconds, you stop and you count how many beats you got for your heart rate, and you write that number down. So fingers set, start. Now, 15 seconds. My beat, I just got 18 beats, so I'm going to write 18 down on my piece of paper. Okay, so take the number that you got for your heart rate from the 15 seconds. Whatever that number was, my number was 18. Whatever your number is, you're going to multiply by 4. So my number, 18 times 4 equals 72. 72 is my heart rate right now. Just sitting here talking to you, not doing any exercise. I'm not resting. Just about normal life in a chair. My heart rate is 72. So take your number that you got for your beats per minute and multiply that by 4, and then write that number down to see what you got. So just to review, you find your pulse in your carotid artery or your radial artery. You're timing 15 seconds. You're getting the beats that you're getting in those 15 seconds. And then you're multiplying that number of beats you got in that 15 seconds by 4. That is the heart rate that your heart is beating at that time. And then I'll show you how to do it to exercise. Obviously, more activity, more cardiovascular. The number's going to be higher, but tune in for that. Hope you're staying active and staying safe.